So in the last video, I went over my plans for this current build. So these are kind of the first pieces of the puzzle. As I get more, I'll make more videos as the build continues on. You already saw the unboxing. If you watched that video, the unboxing of this Daniel Defense rail, this is the one I'm going to be using on this new project. But today we're going to be talking about this BCM lower. I've actually never purchased a BCM lower before. I've actually never purchased a completely put together lower before, but I got a deal on this one. It was a Blem coming from Rooftop Defense. They had good deals on their BCM Blem lowers. I've already unboxed it, took everything out of it, but this is basically everything that you're going to be getting with this Blemish lower. One note that I found kind of funny is they threw in a pack of ramen noodles. We know this condition is expensive, so enjoy a free meal on us. That's pretty dope. So I'll eat those, of course. So this is basically just the BCM lower. Comes with their stock, their grip, their trigger, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be leaving the trigger alone or what. BCM does not skimp on the oil. Believe it or not, this has actually already been cleaned once, but just the residual oil that was left in the bag. We use a ton of oil on this. Now, like I said, this is a Blem lower. So I want to get some of this oil off. So maybe somebody's thinking about getting a Blemish lower from them. I know everyone's going to be different, but maybe this will be give you a good idea of maybe what the blemish is, or how bad you can expect them to be. I mean, everyone's probably going to be different, but for the discount that you get, if you don't care about a little scratch or a ding, it's almost worth it. So let me see if I can get this cleaned off here the best I can. God, they really pack a lot of oil on. All right, so up close, as close as I can get my camera to focus. I'm not seeing a whole lot here. I don't see anything wrong with the finish. Everything seems to be working fine. The only weird thing that I noticed earlier was this grind right here is a little weird looking, maybe, but that's really it. Everything else looks good. Trigger works exactly how it's supposed to, and it feels good. I don't know. God, that oil is freaking everywhere still. I literally blew this thing completely apart, trigger and everything off of it, grip off of it, buttstock off of it, and doused it in brake clean just to get rid of all the oil that was on it. And just putting it back in the bag, it's not like it was like before. It was dripping in oil, but it's still pretty bad. It's still soaked up oil pretty good. So that's going to be the lower part of this build. First piece of the puzzle. I got other stuff ordered, other stuff coming as I get it. I'll make more videos. Like I said, this is going to be kind of a multi-parter. I've never really done that before. But as I get more pieces, I'll start assembling on the channel and kind of let you see where I'm going and what I'm going to end up with when it's all said and done. So thank you guys for stopping by. This is John with BGR. Talk to you later.